until what age are the parents responsible for the tarbiyah of their kids?
So, the parent is responsible until the child reaches puberty. Until the child reaches puberty, you are responsible. If you've done your part, and you've done what we've been mentioning in the few webinars that we've done, the huquq, you've been fulfilling it, and you've done that, and the child goes astray, there is no sin on you. But if you forsake the child and you've not done any of these things that we mentioned, and you know yourself, you fundamentally abandoned your child, then whatever sins he does after that, and when he goes astray, it's on your scale the day of judgment. Now, and if you've now recognized your mistake, if you recognize your mistake now, it's never too late. You can inshallah ta'ala try to work on these things. Whichever of those apply on your child now, you can start doing it now. Make dua for your child. Try to call them and give them nasaih and advice. And inshallah ta'ala try to work on those things now inshallah ta'ala.